Hi, my name is Leslie Herr, and I'm your instructor for this CIS145 class about Access, Microsoft Access. And I want to give you an introduction to this course and how to find your way around in it. So when you first come to my course, you should see something that looks like this. And each week I will have an encouraging message and a link in these announcements when you come to this to my course, and you will see a link to questions and announcements, and that's just going to give you information about what's going on in the course, answers to questions, and anything that I want to communicate to you. Because this is the first week, I have a little bit more than usual. I have a video, and it'll be the video you're watching, and then a link to the syllabus. Okay. So in this video, I want to just show you quickly where to find the syllabus in the content, and then how to get to the content. And some of the modules in the content. And that's about it. So let's go ahead and go there. So I'm going to scroll up here, and up here on course materials, I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to click on content. Your screen should look pretty close to this, and over here you'll see that there are a bunch of modules. Okay, if I click on the Getting Started module, it'll give me access, give me access to different links here. And as you can see, this is a link to the syllabus. This is MindTap. I'll talk about that in a separate video. And then here's a link in case you decide not to stay in this class. I would really appreciate it if you'd fill out this Survey Monkey telling me why it's all anonymous. Down here is information about how to do screencasting, which for one of your first assignments to introduce yourself, I ask you to do a screencast or video. Although you don't have to use screencasting, you can use your phone, that's fine. Here is a nice list of how to be successful in this class. I emphasize positive self-talk, and I really encourage you to schedule yourself, pace yourself, and then pay attention to questions and announcements. I'll let you read that. Then here are some papers that previous students in this class have written that might help you to know more about how to be successful in this class based on other students and what they've said. Okay, so then finally, the last thing that I want to do talk about is here in the different modules. Each module here is content for your course that has information about each specific week. So for example, this week it would be 8/19/2019 to 8/26/2019. And so the way that I have each week set up is there's a section or a module that will list if there's anything that's coming up that's kind of large that you want to consider scheduling and starting to get on top of. And then here is a module due at the end of the week checklist. And then this right here is text that describes the links below. Okay, so it gives you more information. So here, for example, is the link for the syllabus quiz, and up here is a description about it. Okay, so there's that. And so then again, each week is set up so that it has think about starting and due at the end of the week. So the think about starting should help you plan, as well as, just not be bombarded all of a sudden with something that you need to do. And so I'll go down a little ways, and you can see that here in Think About Starting, I have several items in here, and then a list of what is actually due that particular week. So review the setup of how I have my course set up, by each week and then by what is due. On top of coming to the content, you can also go here to activities and assignments and get access to your different folders where you can turn things in. And then here are discussions where you can, post questions right here, not of a personal nature though. And then down here are different topics, okay? And it looks like I have a mistake here. This should be a topic under here. Oh no, it is a topic under here. Okay. Anyway, so then here are quizzes, and here's a list of quizzes. So don't be overwhelmed. There are a lot of little pieces that don't take that much time. So don't worry about that. So anyway, to go back over this, when you first come to my course, it will look like this. You can scroll down, you'll see my intro video, which you're watching. And then here's my letter. And then if you come up here to course and you go to content, you should be able to see the Getting Started module, where you'll find your syllabus, a link to your syllabus. There's success in this class tips, and then weekly modules that hold the list of what is due. If you want to go and find individual items, you can come up here under activities. You can find the folders where you need to hand things in. You can come here to discussions, and you can post questions here, and then you can come here and find where assigned quizzes are. Okay, video's too long again. I'm trying. Thanks.